this is Kriti Bhatnagar, your legal reasoning educator at 12 Minutes to CLAT, and in today's video we are going to be talking about 5 must-do things before CLAT 2025. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about 5 things every aspirant must do before he sits for CLAT 2025. Now that your exam is right around the corner, these are certain things that you must definitely keep in check. Alright, so without further ado, let's start the video. So, coming to the first thing that you must definitely do before CLAT 2025 is revise all your mocks. It doesn't matter how many mocks you have attempted till CLAT 2025. It could be 10, it could be 20, it could be 30, it could be 50. For some it could be 100. I don't know if it's you. You should pick up all your mocks and see whether there is any particular topic that you are still not comfortable with. Pick up all the mocks, see the mistakes that you have made in those mocks and see do you still need to rectify those mistakes. If you are not making those mistakes again, that means that you are doing well and you should not be scared and you have practiced well. Because obviously you have been preparing for a long time and it is not practical to remember everything. So it may happen that you would have done your mock analysis right after your mock, but it has been a long time since you have studied that mock. So now pick all those mocks up and try to see if you are making any mistake once again. Because it is okay to make mistakes, but we need to make sure that we are not repeating those mistakes. If the same question comes in the CLAT exam, you should not regret that, oh, I did this in mock. If I would have revised it once again, I would have done it right here. Of course, it may happen that some questions might be same in the CLAT examination. So it is pertinent that you revise all your mocks so that all of the topics are revised well. Point number 2, and very important. Make sure that at one place you have kept all the essentials that you require for the CLAT examination. It could be ball pen, it could be your admit card. Make sure that you have printed your admit card well and you have seen everything that is written on the admit card. Your examination center, what are the points to remember, what are the important instructions given on the admit card. Read it all very carefully and keep all these things at one place so that on the date of examination you are not panicking that, oh my god, I forgot my admit card, oh my god, I forgot my pen, and all of those things do not bother you much. Now it is very important that you read your admit card properly. Once, if you wish to, you can go and visit your center if you feel, if the center is in the same city. If you feel that it would be good and you would not have to go here and there to search for the exam center. It is necessary that we are prepared for the examination. For that, you might be required to visit the center once. It is not an essential. If you are sure that where the place is and you reach there properly, then there is no issue. But make sure you have read everything written on the admit card and you keep all these essentials at one place. Coming to the third essential before CLAT 2025, and something we don't like to do, is revising all the current affairs topics that we have done. Now obviously it is not possible to read everything and anything in the world that is syllabus of current affairs and general knowledge in the CLAT examination. But make sure that the topics that have come in the mocks, you have revised them well. The topics that you think have been in extreme debate in the past 1 year, make sure that you have revised them well. Apart from that, obviously there is a never-ending topic list given to you that you have to do these topics. Please don't fall into such traps. There is no list like that. Topics you have done in mocks, topics that were more in news for a longer period of time, definitely are more important. But we should be hoping for the best and preparing for the worst. Revise everything that you have done. Make sure you are practicing questions related to current affairs from different websites so that if you have missed anything by chance, you are able to do those topics as well. Every day take out some time to revise current affairs mock. It doesn't matter you are not doing other subjects daily, but current affairs need to be done daily because it might be a possibility that you cannot learn everything. So this would help you if you revise, because once you see the options in the question paper, you will remember what you studied. You don't have to remember it by heart because by the options also sometimes the answer becomes clear. So make sure you're revising all your current affairs concepts. Coming to the fourth point, which is practicing something every day. Now that your exam is in just some days, make sure that you're practicing something every day. Obviously, you're revising all your sections, but with that, you could be doing 3 passage-based questions of legal reasoning. You could be doing 3 passage-based questions of English. The next day, you could be doing 3 passage-based questions of critical reasoning. And on the same date, you could be doing 3 passage-based questions of maths, so that you are well versed with the practice. There are some students who like to give 1 mock each day. You could be one of them, and that might work in your favor. There is no hard and fast rule that this is to be done, this is not to be done. Even if you're not giving a mock each day, that is also fine. Just make sure that you are practicing something or the other. 2 subjects ideally needs to be practiced one day, because you're practicing GK every day. So left are the 4 subjects. 2 of them need to be practiced one day, and then the next day rest of the 2. You can practice the questions depending on how much time you have. For example, if you are doing legal reasoning section should not take more than 40 minutes for 6 passages. So same you can apply for doing 3 passages. You should not be taking more than 20 minutes. If you have 40 minutes on your hand, so definitely practice 6 passages. That is your call, but do make sure you're practicing and analyzing those topics, so that you remember if you are still making any mistakes, you can rectify them. Now, coming to the last point, but not the least, is take one day at a time. I know, and I definitely understand that this is a tough time. I know a lot of people tell us it's just an exam. It's just an exam. For you, this is more than an exam. This is something for you which you feel that will decide the rest of your future, which is not the case, honestly. It's okay. Whatever the result will be, it will be fine. But definitely, yes, it will make a mark in your life as to which college you go to and where you study from. So don't worry, you will definitely clear the exam. An exam is both hard work as well as a bit of luck. So it is okay. Give the exam with your wholehearted preparation and you will be good to go. Don't think too much about what will happen on the CLAT day. What if I sleep? What if I don't get up on time? You will definitely get up on time. You will not lose your focus, and it will be just like another mock. It is okay. Sometimes, it happens that we make things so much bigger in our head itself. It's like the monster under our bed. When you're a kid, you feel there is a monster under your bed. The more you keep thinking about it, the bigger it becomes for you. But the moment you snap out of it, the moment you distract yourself, things like these don't exist, then they will not exist for you. You just sleep peacefully. So it is the same thing with exams. If you think about it too much, they will become heavier on you, and we don't want that. You will do great. This exam will be absolutely amazing for you. You have done immense preparation. Hard work always pays off. Always, if not today, tomorrow, it does pay off. Sometimes things may be in our favor, may not be in our favor. So the results are not in our hands. What is something that we can control is our preparation. Make sure you're going towards the exam center with 100% preparation. Rest of it, leave it to your destiny, and definitely you will clear the exam. Focus on your preparation right now, and more than everything, please, it's my request, believe in yourself. Believe in yourself, because if you don't believe in yourself, why should other people believe in you? I heard some lines some time back that if someone you love, for example your siblings, your cousins, anybody, come to you and says, I am not feeling well, what should I do? I feel like I'm useless. What do you tell them? You say to them, no, what is wrong with you? You are the best person, you have been such a kind person, and you say them all the good things they want to hear. Why do you do that? Because you love them. So don't you love yourself enough to motivate yourself enough? So your exam is going to be great. Don't worry about it. I hope to see you in the next session. Hope you will remember these 5 tips and these 5 must-do things for CLAT 2025. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you in the classes. If any of you wish to study with us, the description box has the link to all the courses and the website, and you can check out our website. Apart from that, if you like my teaching method, you can use my code Kriti for additional discount on the website. Thank you so much, guys. See you in the next session. Best of luck and all the best. You will do amazing. Take care. Bye.